This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, Awning, TV, LP detector, auxiliary battery, Skylight, Slideout, oven, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, water heater, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is 7,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.